This is the video introduction to Experiment 15, Build an Electronic Metronome Circuit, in the Mr. Circuit Basic Electronics Lab 1. A metronome is a device that puts out a clicking sound for setting the tempo for music. This electronic metronome uses a 2-transistor oscillator with a potentiometer to adjust the speed of the clicks. The circuit has an NPN and a PNP bipolar transistor. The 16K resistor sets the maximum speed for the oscillator. The potentiometer slows down the oscillator by adding more resistance to the bias circuit of the transistors. Here is the suggested sequence of installing the components onto the solderless circuit board. Step 1. Lay out all the parts needed for the metronome circuit. Step 2. Install the battery snap, the potentiometer. Be careful, we only use 2 leads of the potentiometer, the center one and one of the edge leads. And install the 3 jumper wires. Step 3. Install the NPN and PNP transistors and also the resistor. Step 4. Install the capacitor. Watch the polarity. Step 5. Install the speaker. The speaker does not have polarity. When you have installed all the parts, connect the battery and adjust the potentiometer to change the speed of the clicks. Now I'm going to show you the electronic metronome circuit in action. All right, here is experiment number 15, the electronic metronome in operation. You can see that I've wired all of the pieces. You've got the 2 transistors, the capacitor, the speaker, the 16,000 ohm resistor, and the potentiometer. It's going tick, 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 tick. I can slow it down to where it's tick, 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 and I can speed it up. All right, you can wire up your experiment, and let's see if you can make it work like I did.